Cousin.
I take too much.
It's good, and this is 10 out of 10. It's better quality of the meat.
No.
This.
Kımız.
Yes, it's kımız.
Kımız.
Kımız. It's popular.
Rahmet. Давайте пробуй, держи.
It's not easy like drink.
It's
Yeah, we can drink it from the...
Like water.
like water.
Yeah.
Like this, we.
А что, так можно было, что ли?
Yeah.
Not with spoon.
Not this one.
It's too salty. Too much salt.
Кисело. Sour and salty. Not for me.
The same thing, it's too much sour and salty
Что? Опять?
for me.
Try again.
What?
Would you like to try again?
No.
No! God, please, no! No!
This kımız. It's very popular in football players.
How do you say that?
Kımız.
This.
Kımız.
Yes, it's kımız.
Kımız.
Ладно, и так сойдет.
It's effect of alcohol, but it's not alcohol.
It's classic meat and potato. It tastes good. Yeah, I like it. And I like it how it's served. It looks interesting in the bread and everything.
This is good. We have like the same meat, like same preparation for. It's good, but it's not in bread.
It's not interesting.
Yeah, they don't serve it in bread. Like only meat, and that's it.
You have same dish here.
Yeah, it's similar.
Name of the dish.
Name. Какое у нас? Meat and potato, but
You serious?
I don't know what is this meat?
It's horse.
Horse.
Yeah.
We don't eat horse, we eat pork.
Yeah.
But do you like horse?
Yeah, this is good. Perfect.
Practice makes perfect.
Yeah, first time. Yeah. It's better quality of the meat here. Yeah, I think. Maybe, I don't know. But it's good, yeah.
You can try it.
With bread.
Yeah, bread.
Skulle man ha bort i vad annars?
2 hours later.
Alright, alright. It's good.
It's good. This is meat.
It's name Қазақ.
How?
Қазақ.
Cousin.
Yeah, Қазақ.
We like this one too. It's different taste. It's different taste from the previous food, but we like it. It tastes nice, and I don't know how to say that, but the food that is not the meat that's in the that's in the plate, it's also good.
This one is better. For me, it's more saltier than the previous meal. But I think this is better for me from the previous meal. I would give it 10 out of 10 for this.
We agree with you. This is like our favorite dish.
This.
Yeah, it's good. It's really good. It's really nice.
This.
Yes, well, like
They like it.
Yes.
Yes, it's very delicious for us.
It's not a traditional kebab.
With this tradition.
Yeah, your food.
Ajde, drži malo ti. Kako to?
Не може. It's dry, but it tastes nice. This is brown.
Yeah, this one.
To je loše.
It's a national tea with tara.
What is it?
It's tara.
Tara.
This is-
Yeah.
Tara.
Tara.
How do you eat it, yeah?
Yes, you,
Yeah.
yes,
You
you.
can mix this with tea.
With tea.
Yeah.
I go
It's
there.
tea with
Tea with tara.
I put here.
You can put and also this tea together.
Mixed together.
Yeah, mixed
A mix.
And
Mora.
Yeah, yeah.
I tried the brownie and it's not for me, to be honest, but when you drink it with tea, I think it's better because it makes it easier to chop and to eat it. But I don't know. I don't like this type of sweets for myself. I don't prefer that. I would probably say like 5 out of 10. But
What is this? Like milk and the water?
milk and tea.
with tara.
With this, I don't know. I would give it like 7.
I know it's tvrdo.
Yes, but
Baš tvrdo.
it's not all. It's like cheese.
But that's cheese, that's not sweet.
Because you all it's very salty.
Yeah, it's very salty.
Yeah.
I take too much. Коя ця?
Misliš? Yeah, I don't like this.
I don't like it too.
Because it's very salty.
Yeah.
Test. Yes.
We have the same dish in Serbia.
Also, see?
Same. It's in Serbia uštipci.
It's called
Uštipci.
You can find with sauce.
Šta?
sauce.
Sweet sauce.
Yes. Is it like the milk and everything?
Znači, dobro je. This is good. Dobro je.
Yeah, it's very good. We have the same thing in our country and it's called uštipci. Everything is the same and we like it. We like it a lot. That's it. And we just serve it with the different sauce. We serve it with the chocolate and all of that. And that's only difference between our food and yours.
Maybe our favorite dish was the last one because this is the most similar that we made in our country, and this is perfect for me. 10 out of 10.
For me, the best food was the horse meat served with something on the dish. That was the best for me. The sweet part, I only like this one because it's the same we have in Serbia, and tea and the things that go with the tea, I really don't like it. And that's it.
And
Usually, for example, if you first drink, you give how many bouts?
for the drink,
Yeah.
I give it like 2. 2.
One.
Okay.
Next dish, like 8.5. It's good, and this is 10 out of 10.
Okay.
Yeah, 10. This is good.
Yeah, I like it a lot. It's better than the previous, but the previous one was also good.
Rahmet.